Hello, and welcome to this App Studio Getting Started video. This video introduces the Environments Tree panel. You will learn how to access different types of WebFOCUS environments. You will also learn what types of environments exist, how to log into an environment, and how to customize your Environments Tree view. The Environments Tree panel is the first panel you see when you open App Studio. By default, it is located on the left side of your screen. The content in the Environments Tree panel is organized by nodes that you can expand to display content. Node population occurs when you select a node in the configured Environments tree. The node icon will be different depending on whether population has occurred. A green dot on a node means that a node has been populated and contains content. If you populate a node that you do not have a connection to, a red dot is shown on the node icon. If a node has not been populated, App Studio does not know if there is any content in that node, and no dot is shown on the node icon. You can expand the nodes and drill down to your environments, folders, and files. Inside the Configured Environments node, you can see the servers that you have set up in your environment. The three different types of servers are data servers, domains, and web applications. The data servers node lists each reporting server that the WebFOCUS client can access. The domains node is a storage space for data or information. Here you can create and edit application files, administer reports for managed reporting, and perform other tasks. The Web Applications node allows you to open content files with the text editor. You can expand each node to see the folders and files it contains. You can use the filtering options at the top of the Environments Tree panel to view the content in an application folder or project folder. You can filter for procedure files, master files, HTML files, maintain files, image files, reportcaster files, or library files. You can also display all file types simultaneously, or display other file types that can be used in your application. You can also use sorting options to view content differently using the View Options menu. You can sort the content alphabetically, by date modified, or by file type. You can also switch between viewing the content by title or by name if you are developing in the Domains node. You can refresh the view to update the display of all the nodes in the configured environments tree. To learn more, visit the WebFOCUS 8205 knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.